Oh, hi, didn't see you there. So, more family fun. Hold up. Stop.
More family fun. More family fun.
Oh, hi, didn't see you there. More family fun here. So, we are at the Cincinnati Nature Center, and we are going to be doing the Lookout Trail. You guys want to come with us? Come on, let's go.
And you were so close.
Yep, touch the top. Alrighty, so that was our nice trek through Cincinnati Nature Center. Yeah, it was fun. Really muddy, considering it didn't rain recently. But the weather's great. It's in the 60s. Nice walk. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you stick around and like, comment, and subscribe. And we will see you guys
In the next video.
Okay.